The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Love County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Ringling, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lone Grove, Hedden, Wilson, Ringling, and Cornish. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.